Hi, welcome to How to Repair. This video is on Bosch, Neff and Siemens door interlocks or door interlock problems. I'm going to show you how to remove the door lock and replace it. Now, on a previous video I did about a year ago, I showed you how to remove the door lock that had screws holding the door lock in place. But the new Bosch door locks have white plastic lugs that need to be pressed in while sliding the door lock back. So let me show you how you go about this. First thing you always need to remember, unplug the machine from the electricity supply. Okay, first we need to remove the wire band or plastic band, depending on your model, which actually holds the door seal in place. Now there's also two ways of actually doing this. You could remove the whole front panel, which will give you clear access to everything, or you can actually do it in situ. I'll quickly show you both ways. So using a flat blade screwdriver, go round the seal to find the spring. Put the screwdriver under the spring and then slide it back. The spring will come off and now we're able to peel the door seal back, tuck that inside. Now we've got access to the door lock from the rear of the machine. Now, using a small screwdriver, just press the lug in on the top and the lug in at the bottom while sliding the lock slightly towards you. This will allow you to turn the lock to a 45-degree and slide it out completely. Now on this model of machine, the door lock was easy to actually get to through the side here. On some machines there is a plastic clip bit down the side which you need to get access to unclip off the panel so you can get access to the wiring. Now these are very easy to remove on this model of machine. We're working on a WF0286 7GB /16. The model number for your machine can normally be found on the door, around the door frame, or sometimes on different makes of machine you may find the model in the actual filter tray or behind the filter tray. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to remove this front panel. Removing the front panel on most machines means taking the facial panel and the lid off the machine. On these early system Bosches it was much easier. You're actually able to take the filter cover off completely using a torque screwdriver. Just undo the screw or two screws that are fitted inside. The panel slides off. Remove the drainage hose. Now we need to remove the soap drawer. And there's one screw at the bottom here. Now at the bottom of the machine, once you've removed the screw at the top, there are 4 screws on this model, 2 on each side, and they're torque drives. So just undo these. You might need someone to support the panel to stop it dropping as you're working on it, but normally they hold in place. Now all these door locks can be found at the website. Just enter your full model number, as I said, including this on Bosch, Neff and Siemens. There is normally a slash. This one is, for example, WF2867GB/16. On Neff and Siemens sometimes they don't use the slash, but with Bosch they do. Once the screws are all removed, the panel just comes out, drops down, and you can lift it away. This would give you access to the plastic piece on the side, which will allow you to get at the door lock. It will also be able to help you to get at the heater element, the NTC sensor, the pump, etc. So the door lock you would just unplug. They can only be put in one way. You can then replace the door lock for the faulty one. This door lock is actually good. I'm just showing you this on the video to show you how to actually remove. These are the pins that you need to press when sliding the lock back. So let's just quickly reassemble the machine for you. Again, you can see the lugs at the top here, and there's lugs on the panel. So they go on. And then slide it in. Get a screw or two in to start with before you let go of the panel. So we've got a screw in here. I'll just get the door lock. And as I said, the door lock goes in at a 45-degree angle, which you can see here. I'll just zoom in for you. So here we are on a close-up. The lock slides in at a 45-degree angle, then comes back, and you slide it back, and the lugs will lock it into place. Very straightforward once you know how. So to put the door seal on, you have a lip on the frame and a lip on the seal. Just start it at the top. Make sure you keep the seal square, in other words, not twisting the seal. Slowly take your time and work it all the way around. Be careful of the sharp edges. Sometimes the edge of the frame is a little sharp. I have cut my fingers on several occasions. There we go. And as I said, make sure it's square all the way around so you've got no creases in the seal itself. Now, getting the band back on is sometimes a little difficult because they are quite high tension. So make sure you put the spring back in the same location, normally 7-8 o'clock. Work it all the way around. Then you have to really stretch the spring. Sometimes you're just better off using a flat blade screwdriver. Make sure you don't nick the door seal and just prise it over, and it's all done in place. And there you go. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do remember, at the website we have hundreds of tutorials on all types of Bosch machine, different appliances, from washing machines, cookers, fridge freezers, tumble dryers, cooker hoods, hobs, etc. And if you do need a part for your machine, feel free to contact us. And remember, you can always support the website by buying us a beer. Always much appreciated if you found this video helpful. Thanks again for watching.